Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to install an odometer blocker on the Leapmotor B10. I'll guide you through the entire process step by step, so make sure to watch until the end. Let's get started. The connector we need for the installation is located inside the center console. Carefully remove the trim pieces shown in the video. Once the covers are removed, you'll find this light brown factory connector. This is exactly where the odometer blocker will be connected. In addition to the factory connector, the module also requires a 12-volt power supply and a ground connection. You can easily take the 12-volt power from this connector shown here, and for the ground, simply use this grounding point or any other suitable factory grounding location attached to the vehicle's metal chassis. Once everything is connected, the installation is complete. Before using the module, it's important to disconnect the vehicle's 12-volt battery for about 10 seconds. This allows the vehicle's electronic systems to reboot and properly recognize the newly installed module. Now let's move on to activating the odometer blocker and switching between its operating modes. There are two different ways to control the module. The first is by pulling the high beam lever 5 times, which allows you to switch between the available modes directly from the vehicle. The vehicle confirms activation or deactivation by flashing the hazard lights inside the vehicle only. The second method is through our Bluetooth smartphone app. Simply download the app, connect to the module via Bluetooth, and you'll have full control over all of its functions directly from your phone. The odometer blocker offers 2 operating modes. Mode 1, the odometer is completely blocked, preventing any mileage from being recorded while driving. Mode 2, the module is disabled, and the odometer operates exactly as it did from the factory, recording mileage normally. Now let's take the car for a test drive. Keep an eye on the odometer displayed on the instrument cluster. As you can see, the mileage is not increasing while the vehicle is in motion. The module is working exactly as intended.